La esikhona kuse Auckland Park eJohannesburg kulapho zihlelwa khona indaba nanzi ezithujileko.
The leadership is doing some terrible things.
There is no officially sanctioned discrimination by the government.
Umengameli weAmerica uDonald Trump uhlatshwe emahlangothi wonke eSouth Africa ngokuthi batsho uzokuqinelisa isizo lemali leSouth Africa.
We want to make it categorically clear to the President of the USA that we are going to expropriate land without compensation and pursue legislative measures to do so, and no threat will stop us.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi umengameli weAmerica angavoje athusela ngokuvala imali yesizwe leSouth Africa kodwa inaga yona izokuthathwa akunanto ezokuvimba.
Sizococisana ngendaba ukuthi sibhadele foreign seeds umasipala aziphakelayo emphakathini.
Mbono lo ngiyawuthanda nedi abanye abantu asifani asibereki.
Umasipala wethembisile hani uba izakhamuzi bona zibhadele insiza kobanyana akuzokhona ukubanikela zona kungabi kunande kuqineliseka. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba godi ku-SABC1 ngesindebele Lotshani Makhaya. Umengameli we-US uDonald Trump uthe batsho kunabantu bombalo othileko ekhethwapha abaninwako begodu baphethwe kumbi. UTrump uthi uzokujamisa isekelo lezemali liza ekhethwapha bekube kula kuphela khona iphenyo. UTrump utsho lokho izolo kanti ngo-2023 ilizwe le-America lasipha imali pheze engaba ngu-$440 million.
Terrible things are happening in South Africa. The leadership is doing some terrible things, horrible things. So that's under investigation right now. We'll make a determination. And until such time as we find out what South Africa is doing, they're taking away land, they're confiscating land, and actually they're doing things that are perhaps far worse than that.
Ukhulumela office kaMengameli uVincent Magwenya uthi ayikho into ekhulunywa nguTrump. UMagwenya uthi bazokukhulumisana nohulumende weAmerica kurarulula ukungazwisisani ngomthethomlingo wokubuyisa kwenaga otlikitlwe mhlapha ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
There is no confiscation of anyone's land in South Africa. There is no officially sanctioned discrimination by the government of anyone in this country. The Expropriation Act has been unfortunately misinterpreted, and there's been a lot of fear-mongering generated by right-wing organizations such as AfriForum, who have no interest in seeing South Africa transform and advance, who have been consistent in their pursuit of racial divisions in this country. And so as a responsible government, we're going to be engaging the Trump administration.
Ihlangano yomphakathi AfriForum itizokutlola uhulumende bona buyekeze ukuklikitlwa komthethomlingo wokuthathwa kwenaga.
AfriForum will urgently write a letter to the South African government asking them to urgently start a process to draw up an amendment bill regarding the Expropriation Act to avert the crisis that we are now seeing. We will also be writing to the American government asking them specifically not to punish the ordinary people in this country, but rather to focus on ANC leaders that are acting foolishly.
Nakusenjalo iranda livukela bogaboga ngenxa yamazizwe kaTrump.
Kana siqale ekhasini lethu leFacebook siba umbono wakho ngokuthi iAmerica ithusele ngokuqinelisa kwezemali zokusekela eSouth Africa. Kanti inhlangano ezahlukahlukeneko ziyabila kwindaba le. Asiqala umbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
Umhlekazi uDonald Trump ekhweleza ehlela nje kuMzansi Afrika ubonile into abani uMzansi Afrika uxhomekeke kakhulu kulamazwe alawula uqoqosho loMzantsi Afrika kuquka neMelika le.
Utata uTrump umthetho wakhe ngumuntu apho nguzwilakhe ungumuntu apho nguphuma silwe.
Ngingasini imali ayithumelayo uTrump eSouth Africa. Kodwa phela lokho okuncane akuthumela kuyasiza.
Bona bekumele behlale phansi belungise inkinga zabo njengomengameli.
Ewe unyanisile utata uCyril Ramaphosa. Noko kungaphileka. Asixhomekekanga uDonald Trump ngemali ayithumelayo.
Akusethusi phela lo kaTrump ngoba uTrump siyamazi ukuthi ulwa impi yeDA yomhlaba ukuthi bangamuka umhlaba. Ingakho manje esiqhamuza isigwajisa ukuthi uzothatha imali yezempilo.
Abangazosihelebha ngokwemali nathi sakuhamba le indro esinazo lezi sizimayina ukuthi nazo zingayingale ngikhabo ngale.
Umbona ngombukele SABC yazi ukuthwesa umlando okuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uhlabe kumbi umengameli weAmerica uDonald Trump njengoba uTrump athusele ngokuqindelisa isizwe elinikelwa yiAmerica eSouth Africa. Nabe kakhuluma nembiki indaba uMalema usole nenhlangano eziku-GNU ngokufuna isekelo lokulwisana neANC emazweni wangaphandle. Kanti ngosonto uTrump uthe kunabantu abathile kweSouth Africa pha abangaphathwa kuhle. Ngalokho ke uyokuqindelisa isizwe eliza eSouth Africa bekuphenywe indaba le.
I-EFF akhange ikuthulele ukuthusela kwaTrump ukuklikihlwa ngokusemthethweni komthetho wokuthathwa kwenaga ngaphandle kokuliliswa akhange kubaphathe kuhle abanengi kude neduze. uMalema ujamele ngazo zombili umthetho lo nanyana i-EFF ingavumelani nawe ngakelinye ihlangothi.
We want to make it categorically clear to the President of the USA that we are going to expropriate land without compensation and pursue legislative measures to do so, and no threat will stop us.
uMalema ubethele i-ANC izandla ngokulusana nemithetho engaqalani nentshijilo abantu abanzima abaqalene nazo. Uthi i-EFF ilinde ithuba lokuba ingcenye ye-GNU.
The ANC must know that we are just outside, we're at the doorstep. Once they remove the DA and they want a partner, we are in.
uMalema ukhulume nangendaba ye-Rwanda nangokubhubha kwamajoni weSouth Africa li-18 DRC. Usole umengameli weRwanda uPaul Kagame ngokunyaza iSouth Africa nomengameli welizwe uCyril Ramaphosa nakaza kukhuluma bodla mhlapha nje.
The way he was addressing Cyril, he was addressing us. He can't address us like that.
uMalema wamukelwe nokususwa esikhundleni kaMeyara weSiyingi sesidibeng wakhombela nokubana kuphatlala jwabo masipala tabe emfuleni.
Inhlangano zepolitiki ziveze iqalondanzi lazo ekulumeni yobunjalo belizwe yanomnyaka nje. Hlangana nezinye izinto afuna umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa akhulume ngazo khulukhulu yindaba yebumbano lesitshaba, ukuqeda umhlako kunye nehlangothi lezefundo. Inhlangano zepolitiki zifuna kube nehlathululo engcono yokuthi uhulumende uzokwenzani ukukhulisa umnotho.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzokuhlathulula kuhle amahlelo welizwe likahulumende webumbano ngelesine mhlamalanga sithandathu. Ikulumo yobunjalo belizwe yanonyaka nje izabe ingeyokuthoma yeParliamente yekhomba begodu kuzabe kuyikulumo yobunjalo belizwe yokuthoma ibunjwe ezinhlangano zikahulumende webumbano. Njengemhleni ukukhuliswa komnotho welizwe kukhamba phambili hlangana namanye amaqalondanzi wenhlangano.
We all know that the key problem, the major problem facing the people of this country is unemployment, the lack of jobs. So we're trusting that when the president delivers the State of the Nation address this year, he'll really pick up on those areas.
At the heart of what we want the president to talk about is how he's going to create jobs, grow the economy, and alleviate poverty.
South Africa is suffering, people are poor, there is unemployment, and we need the economy to grow.
Al-Shabaab, however, expects to hear from President Ramaphosa that South Africa will have eradicated food poverty by 2030 and that every South African will have in their pockets at least 1,000 rand per month.
In this regard, Action SA can only say that after 7 months that the GNU has splattered only to deceive, like clouds and wind that bring no rain.
I expect from the President to table a 5% GDP plan. South Africa needs growth. It needs to build infrastructure. It needs to deliver jobs.
We would expect to hear from the President
the how part, how government intends to implement the priorities that are contained in the statement of intent, which is a good governing program.
Inhlangano zepolitiki zithi zifuna ukubona amagadango azokuthatha ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nohulumende akhe begodu zifuna konke ukuhlathululwe kuhle bekuvele ngaphakathi kwenkulumo yobunjalo belizwe le.
Nasibuya entolo.
Intelligent young man, always asking intelligent questions, you know, very inquisitive about life.
Indaba zisekhona mbukeli kanti nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Kubhubhe umfundi weminyaka eli-16 ubudala we-Krugersdorp High School ngemva kobana aqhulene ngehloko nomunye umfundi we-Christian Brothers College nabe badlala icricket ngomgqibelo. Lokhu kwenzeke nabe kunomdlalo phakathi kwe-Krugersdorp High School ne-CBC ngomgqibelo. Umfundi obhubhileko nguRitsohofetsi Senelo ofunda e-Krugersdorp High School.
During these matches, you will always have medical practitioners that will be in and around the precinct. They were called to, try and assist. The other one was assisted and was handed over to the parents, probably for further medical, attention. And this one, because of the nature of the injuries, he was then taken to the hospital by the emergency services. Unfortunately, on arrival, the child was certified dead.
He was an intelligent young man, always asking intelligent questions, very inquisitive about life.
Today, we have summoned the psycho support team to provide necessary support to the school, the educators, the entire school community.
Ababelethi babantwana abangakabi ukuthola inkolo ePulukwane eLimpopo bathwenyekile. Balila ngokuthi umnyango wezefundo awubathathele ehloko. Ababelethi nabafundi bebabuthene ngaphandle kwama-ofisi wezefundo bafuna impendulo malungana nendawo zokufundela kwabantwana.
Ababelethi aba bathi ubuthonga behli solo kwavula inkolo nabakhumbula ukuthi abantwana babo solo babhalelwa kuthola inkundla zokufunda.
Dikolo tse replace mo tsona ba re bona ba ka se bana ba rena ka re bona a bana di class a bana mathishere
e re nyakishisha gore ga botse go diragala re botsisha dipotšišo re a omanyiwa bana ba rena ba bitsiwa ka maina ba sa ba tsebi ebile ba re fosha le ka maphepha a di proof of application.
My child is doing Afrikaans. He cannot start Sepedi. A ka se thome Sepedi ka grade 6. So re bereka ba nka mkho ara ona bothata bana ba dira Afrikaans ge ba allocate mo mara nna ke fitla ko disekolong ba mpusa.
Umnyango wezefundo uyavuma ukuthi bangaphezulu kwama200 abafundi osabazumela indawo zokufundela. Kanti godu sekenze neminye imizamo yokufaka abanye abafundi emaklasini wesikhatshana eHugo Primary School ePulukwane.
We are aware that it took long, more than all of us could have expected. We all planned that by now all the children should be at school. Remember, we started on the 15th of January.
Babelethi aba bathi urhulumente akagabe sebalinde kwanele.
Umasipalata wethembisile hani eMpumalanga ubawe izakhamuzi bona zibhadele izenzelwa zomphakathi ukuqinisekisa bona umasipalata lo uragela phambili nokuletha izenzelwa ngefanelo. Lokho kuthiwa ngumeyara kaMasipalata uLiseja Dikgale ngesikhathi kuhlangana embizweni yehlandla lesibili ebeyibanjele emakhiweni emdala yeParliament kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Umbiki indaba wethu weSABC uComfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Lo umhlangano uqhakathekileke emphakathini ongaphasi kwaMasipalata wethembisile hani. Umhlangano khanjelwe babelana abahlukahlukeneke kubalwa kiba abaholi bendabuko, inhlangano zomphakathi, abosomabhizinisi nenhlangano zamateksi. Lapha bexoxisana ngokuthi izenzelwa naziza kufika kuhle kufuze izakhamuzi benalokho ezikubhadelako. Umeyara kaMasipalata lo Liseja Dikgale uthi bafuna uMasipalata lo angabokaboki kezemali begoda angasola thembele emalini zasibonelelo.
Siyibonile ukuthi sikhayelelwa ngapha kulento ethengayo. Asikhoni ukufinyelela ama-target esiwabekile. Kula sibone ukuthi kukuhle ukuthi sibuye emphakathini. Sisho ukuthi amahlelo ayahamba but lama grant esiwathola ku-national akanelanga.
Hlanganisa ama-stakeholders a-different akhona ngapha kwamasipala ukuthi sizokucocisana ngendaba ukuthi sibhadele for instance umasipala aziphakelako emphakathini. Siyazi ukuthi akuna hlangano engakwazi ukuthi iphile ngaphandle kokuthi i-collecte imali for lezo nsizi esiziprovidako to our public.
Nakusenjalo abanye abaholi bendabuko nababelane kubalwa kibo inhlangano zamateksi bakwamukela lokhu bathi kuzokunikela umasipalata lo amandla.
Sekusikhathi kade mhlambe sibuyele emva umphakathi mdisucucuzele bonyana umasipala wekhethu lo kufanele ukuthi siphosele nathi angabi ngaphasi kobudlana ngikhokhu ngoba le mali le izomhelebha kobanyana akhone ukuthuthukisa indlela ngaphakathi kwemiza.
Yona into ehle khulu mara kuyadingeka ukuthi sibe sihlanganyele nomasipala wekhaya ahlangane nathi angabi ihlangane kude khulu nabantu bamateksi aba ngoba nakaloku ayivalela ngaphandle thina sifila ngathi siyakuneglectwa.
Yachayisana imbono ezakhamuzi ngendaba le.
Umbono omuhle abantu esingawenzako nathi singake sisearche sihelebhe umasipala ngendlela kungakho qala indlela ukuthi zinjani lapha sikhamba kabuhlungu.
Umbono lo ngiyawuthanda nedi abanye abantu asifani asibereki irehe khulu kwebantwini umuntu okhonako khona ukubhadela yona imali le insize ezifanele ayikhiphe imali khona.
Umasipalata lo uthi umuzi nomuzi kuzokufanele ubhadele imali ebalelwa ku-108 kuya ku-200 yamaranda nakaza khona ukuletha izenzelwa ngaphandle kokuphazamiseka. Indawo ekuzokubhadelwa kizo sezikhona kezinye inthabathaba zentolo kumasipalata lo. Abanye abosomabhizinisi bendawo nabo bathi umasipalata angobabikela ngembizo efana nale bakhona ukuhlanganela naye njengombana bafuna ukubonisana naye ngeragelo phambili endaweni ezingaphasi komasipalata lo. Endabeni ze-SABC ngingoComfort Masombuka ngikuphakela zona ngise-King Nyabela building kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga.
Ijanyiswe ama-awa amaningi imisebenzi kamasipalata weMbombela eMpumalanga. Lokho njengoba isiqhema sezakhamuzi seMatafin sivale amayege sifuna ukuthi babuyiselwe endaweni la kwakhiwa khona indlela. Kuthiwa abatsho abasokontraka abajamise ukusebenza ngosinye ikhaba umnyaka opheleleko ngemva kwezango batsho ukuthi abasokontraka babhalela kubhadala ubuholi bombuso sitshaba imali abakolotwa zona.
Avaliwa amayege kamasipalata weMbombela kanti sekulihlandla lesithathu emvekeni ezintathu. Izakhamuzi lokutshini leMatafeng zifuna ukunikelwa ikontraka yokubuyela emsebenzini la kwakhiwa khona indlela ehlanganisa iMatafeng kunye nendlela eKapsewood edlula edoyilini lemphaphamtshini leNelspruit lakade. Ukwakhiwa kwendlela ekusolo kwajanyiswa ngosinye ikhaba umnyaka opheleleko ngemva kokuthi umjaphethe wesikhundla sobuholi bombuso sitshaba esiphezi nobuye abe likhansela le-EFF uThomas Mahlalela afuna ukunikela imali engange-4 million rand.
So this councillor was actually demanding a lot of money. The first invoice he put in was 4 million as part of what he needs to be paid. And we had indicated to him that it does not have a contract with the municipality. If he has an agreement with the contractor, it becomes their issue, and then the contractor and them could not reach an agreement.
Umahlalela uthi ubuholi bombuso sitshaba buthengisa izinsetshenziswa zokwakha kanti ukhombela abosokontraka ukuthi babuyele emsebenzini.
We are selling a G5 material. We never say we are donating it. If it were to come to say we want to donate for our community, it was a different matter. But we said we are selling a G5 material, and we never demanded 4 million from the municipality or to anyone else.
Union yabasebenzi bakwamasipalata ithwenyekile.
Sicela ba increase ekuphepha in our workplace ukuze sikhone kuvuka ekseni sibe neligqozi lokuya emsebenzini sathi ukuthi kuphepha kwethu kubalulekile futhi kuqinisekiwe.
Nakusenjalo ibhalile imizamo yokufumana usokontraka ukuthi azoziphendulela kanti kulindele ukuthi abasebenzi aba babuyele emsebenzini mhla amalanga ali-17 kuMhlolanja kanti okwanje umasipalata uqinise ivikeleko.
Kezemali randa liyabogaboga nalilinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Siba ukuncancabeza ngobujamo bezulu obungekho zikhona ngeSiswati kusasa umusa.